Updated NS0-161 exam questions have been released with 94 practice exam questions and answers. We ensure that you can pass NetApp Certified Data Administrator, ONTAP certification NS0-161 exam successfully. Come to get the greatest NS0-161 exam dumps to do the best preparation. Question number 1. You must enable remote authentication and grant a remote administrator either cluster admin or vsadmin access. In this scenario, which 3 authentication types are supported for ONTAP 9.7? Choose 3. A. SAML, B. Radius, C. CHAP, D. LDAP, E. AD. Answer: AID. Question number 2. You are asked to delete an SVM that was used for CIFS. Which 2 steps must be completed prior to completing this task? Choose 2. A. Delete the CIFS license. B. Stop the SVM. C. Delete all data volumes in the SVM. D. Delete all LIFs from all SVMs. Answer: B. C. Question number 3. Your company is merging with another company. You are asked to set up your AFA 400 cluster to support 2 networks that have the same overlapping 192.168.1.0 24 subnet. In this scenario, what must you create to enable the same subnet with overlapping IPs on the same cluster? A. Broadcast domain, B. IP space, C. Subnet, D. Failover group. Answer: B. Question number 4. Your customer has an NTFS volume that they want to access over both SMB and NFS. The client explains that SMB access works fine, but the clients are unable to NFS mount the volume. What are 3 reasons that would cause this issue? Choose 3. A. There is no export policy rule for the NFS clients. B. The Leaf Data Protocol does not allow NFS. C. The volume security style must be changed to Unix. D. The NFS server is not configured. E. Multi-protocol is not licensed on the cluster. Answer: Abid. Question number 5. Your company requires that all data must be encrypted in-flight to prevent data from falling into the wrong hands. What are 2 ways to accomplish this task? Choose 2. A. Modify your cluster peering relationships to support cluster peering encryption. B. Ensure that snap mirror compression is enabled in all snap mirror relationships. C. Enable multi-factor authentication (MFA) for your snap mirror relationships. D. Ensure that all inter-cluster replication traffic is done through a VPN tunnel. Answer: A. C. Question number 6. You have a new ONTAP 9.72 node AFF A300 cluster with 2 XDS224C full shelves of 3.8 TB encrypted SSDs. In this scenario, which statement matches the factory disk ownership setting? A. All even-numbered drives on each shelf are assigned to one node, and all odd-numbered drives on each shelf are assigned to the partner node. B. Disk ownership is not assigned by the factory. C. All drives on shelf 1 are assigned to one node, and all drives on shelf 2 are assigned to the partner node. D. Drives 0 to 11 on each shelf are assigned to one node, and drives 12 to 23 on each shelf are assigned to the partner node. Answer B. Question number 7. What are 3 supported fabric-attached Metro cluster solutions? Choose 3. A 2-node bridge-attached solution. B. An 8-node solution. C. A 4-node solution. D. A 2-node solution. E. A 2-node direct attached solution. Answer B, C, D. Question number 8. You are the administrator of your company's ONTAP 9.7 storage system. Your system hosted CIFS shares in your Active Directory environment for several years without any problems. Suddenly users report to you that they can no longer access their CIFS shares. What is the reason for this problem? A. The user account used to join your SMB server to your Active Directory expired. B. The NTP servers are unreachable. C. The CIFS standard license expired. D. The Wins servers are unreachable. Answer D. Question number 9. You are configuring an ONTAP cluster to use NVMe FC. In this scenario, which 2 statements are true? Choose 2. A. Create and start the FC service. B. Create an SVM with NVMe enabled. C. Create an SVM with both NVMe and FC protocols enabled. D. Create NVMe LIFs on FC target ports. Answer B, D. Question number 10. What are 3 types of licenses available for ONTAP? Choose 3. A. Site. B. Field. C. Standard. D. System. E. Evaluation. Answer ACE.